This is Kit Kabinet with the inbox review of the KP L-159 Alca in 1/72 scale.
Okay, so today we have the Aero L-159 from Kovozávody Prostějov. Every Czech person probably now got a heart attack, so I'm going to call this KP from now on. This is probably the only injection molded kit of this plane, and this one's based on the earlier L-39 Albatross, and Alca is another seagoing bird, which is maybe a bit odd since these planes were built in Czech Republic, which is landlocked without any sea coast. I don't know. Let's have a look inside. Okay, here are the sprues, and we just see immediately that this is actually quite a small kit. It's quite sober, not many parts, but it's a bit steeply priced for such a small kit. But let's have a closer look. What we see here are, the surface panel lining is very nice. So yeah, at least that looks good. On the smaller parts the detail has gone a bit soft, and that often happens with so-called short run molds. But you get a lot of very nice parts. Some parts are not used in this version, I believe, but there are different boxings. So oh yeah, and another thing with short run kits is that you don't have any location pins, so you need to take a lot of care when putting this thing together. Yeah, your wings look equally nicely detailed. Surface detail looks very good.
Yes, this is the revised version, of course, because there was a little mistake that crept into the previous version.
I mean, these two inner doors can be shut, but this outer door, when your landing gear is extended, should be open.
The L-159, like the L-39 in this picture, has two sets of undercarriage doors, so when the undercarriage is lowered, an extra set of spring-powered doors springs into place. So that was a small yet somewhat important detail. Just want to clear that up.
The transparencies, the canopy already came loose from the sprue. So let's have a look. Yeah, this one-piece canopy, as you can see. Yeah, you have to mount it shut. The decal sheet. Now, you can build three different versions, which we'll see in a minute on the back of the box. And you can build an Iraqi version, and you can build two, Draken versions, or Draken, or Draken, or Draken, whichever. And especially the Draken, there's a Draken version with a very nice paint scheme. So the decals themselves look very thin, and they are nicely in register. So that looks good. The instructions with a nice picture and a story in Czech and also in English. Well, it's not a very big kit, so it's all relatively simple and straightforward. You have your sprue map here, of course. Yeah, the only thing, it seems very easy, but short run kits bring their own challenges, but you got some nice stores and a twin Dushka cannon. And you have your color callouts in Humbrol and Agama. Now I don't know Agama color, but I do know my Humbrol codes. And the back of the box with the versions that you can make, the Iraqi version and the two Draken versions. And this really nice camo scheme, this aggressor camo scheme. And your Humbrol and Agama colors are here as well. So in conclusion, I think it is a really nice kit. It's maybe a bit steeply priced for what it is, but I think you can still build something very nice out of this one.